I was the only person in the train car. Late night, last train of the night. The doors closed and the train started moving. Everything was quiet, just the sound of the tracks. Then I heard footsteps behind me, slow, heavy. I turned around, no one there. Every seat was empty. I sat back down. A few seconds later, the footsteps started again, closer this time. I checked the reflection in the window beside me, and that's when I saw it. Someone standing directly behind my seat. But when I turned around again, the train car was still empty, and the reflection was still there.